against time. I think we should start our little. Alhamdulillah, we were able to have our Karachi match, which was, I think, biggest sports showdown in Pakistan's history. Transwala family's vision was actually World Group vision dream that we promised people of Pakistan 6 months ago. We were able to deliver. All these legendary players are with us, among us, sitting here in front of you. I think with that, I think we should just allow the media to ask questions. You have your captain, Ryan Giggs, and Ronaldinho sitting in front of you. So you can ask your question if you want to, please.
Do you need a mic?
Okay, Ronaldinho, I have a question. First of all, welcome to Pakistan. First of all, on behalf of all of Pakistan, I'd like to welcome you all. And it's a big pleasure for us to have you here. So, what is your message to the people, the critics that say that Pakistan isn't a safe country to visit? What is your message to them?
Qual é a mensagem para o Paquistão e para os críticos que talvez tenham falado que talvez isso aqui não era um lugar legal? Qual é a sua mensagem para o Paquistão?
Primeiro, agradecer, né, o carinho de todos, a receptividade que tiveram com nós todos. Então, agradecer e estamos aqui para mostrar que, né, pode ter um futuro, né, o futebol aqui. Então, o objetivo é esse. Estamos muito felizes de estar aqui.
Thank you very much. My message to Pakistan is that no, hey, I'm here. I'm happy. Pakistan can do anything. I'm here to showcase our skills. We are all here and very happy to be here.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. This is like a dream come true for every young boy watching you here as well. How do you feel coming to Pakistan as well? You know, I understand this is your first time. So what love have you felt? You were in Karachi yesterday as well, now in Lahore. So how have you seen the people, you know, loving you, Ryan Giggs, and football as well? How's the experience?
Hello. My experience so far has been very good. The hospitality has been good. We've been looked after, and also I got told the love of the people of Pakistan for football, not only cricket, but from the outside we only knew about Pakistan with cricket, but now we know that football is huge here, especially with the younger generation, and we seen for our own eyes yesterday while playing the game the desire that the fans and the young players of Pakistan have to become. Just like Ronaldinho said, we're happy to be here, we're enjoying it, and hopefully we can send that message around the world that Pakistan is a good place to come, and also the love for football in Pakistan. Thank you. Pakistan Zindabad.
Hello. My question is from both of you, from Ronaldinho and Ryan Giggs. That since football is a world sport, but unfortunately it is not as popular in Pakistan as in other countries of the world. Would you like to suggest some measures or initiatives for the Pakistan government to take to promote this sport in Pakistan?
Well, the love, like I say, of football is here. The desire with the young people especially, to play football is here. The next step is obviously any league or any association in the world needs the right infrastructure and also needs the right coaching. So to progress to the next level, you need the best coaches in the world to come here and not bring their philosophy, but a framework and an infrastructure so the Pakistani culture within the people and the football can then flourish and become a better association. And I think Pakistan are 200 in the world, I heard. So to bring that down, you need these things. The infrastructure and also the best coaches in the world to teach the players how to play.
Pakistani player did you inspire?
Bom, completamente de acordo com o que o Giggs falou. Eu acho que nós viemos aqui para dar um incentivo a mais, mas é exatamente isso. Procurar trazer grandes treinadores para que possam ensinar os jogadores e que, né, o país todo possa evoluir com o futebol.
Yes, I fully agree and endorse the words of Red Giggs. The country needs, in addition to that, great coaches and a lot of support and enthusiasm to help to grow a new generation of players and enthusiasts.
Excuse me, before we can have another question, please try to spread your question. We have David James sitting with us, we have Bulletin sitting with us, we have the coach, Luis Rodriguez, we have Luis Beaumonte, Robert Perez with us, so you can ask your question with these players also.
My name is Asad Qadir and I am from NNI. And first of all, I would like to thank the chief of the army staff and the government of Pakistan. And I also thankful to you, all of the players who came from Pakistan. My question is this: you are the international players, and we are very happy to see you in Pakistan. This is a good image for Pakistan. And is there any future planning with PFF Pakistan Football Federation? And he invited you in future?
I think this question is for the management, right?
Yeah, PFF Pakistan.
Yes. We are working with all the organizations, including football federations, provincial governments, federal government, armed forces, security institutions, and yes, there is an extensive 360-degree coverage plan for the growth and development of football in Pakistan. We wanted to start with a bang. We wanted to start with creating the biggest football showdown in the history of Pakistan, which alhamdulillah we have delivered. And yes, we plan on doing everything just Ryan Giggs just said and Ronaldinho just endorsed for the future development of football in Pakistan.
Yeah, Ryan. My question from both of you, the captains. What's your opinion about the game of the Pakistani players who are playing last day with you and going to play for the 2 days? You just professional according to professional levels. Are they good? What's your opinion?
Well, I mean, it's very difficult to get an impression just from one game, but no, what I've seen is obviously some talented players, some players who, even in a short time, took on information and improved during the game, so which is encouraging. But I don't know what the rest of the players are like. Obviously, we'll see some more today. But no, talented, encouraging. A lot of good individual talent, but again, need that discipline and organisation and infrastructure to improve as footballers, individually and as a team.
Sim, é verdade. Tecnicamente, se nota que tem qualidade. Mais uma vez, estou de acordo com o Giggs. Acho que, né, com mais informação, com mais, né, uma estrutura melhor, a tendência é melhorar ainda mais. Então, nota-se que tem qualidade. Então, acho que tendo, né, alguém para ensinar e mostrar ainda mais um melhor caminho, fica mais fácil.
Yes, I again endorse Red Giggs' words and to add on. Technically speaking, you can see that we could say last night, they have a good level of skills. They just need more organization and better coaching, and that's the way to move forward. If the country gets better coaches and all those people get coaches, better structure, that's the way to evolve for the future.
Okay, now my question is specifically from Robert Perez, David James, Bulletin and Beaumonte, that last night you played with the Pakistani talent and you had the chance to showcase your talent here as well. You've done it all around the globe. So how did it feel to play with the Pakistani players? How do you see Pakistani talent going into the youth also? Going into the future, how can Pakistan progress?
I think yes, you have a good future. This is the most important. So I know know, unfortunately Pakistan far away on the ranking FIFA, but it's not a problem. So now you have you need to see the future. Of course, in Pakistan, a lot of people love cricket, but I think the new generation something we can change. So that's why we are here to I don't know, to send a good message, positive message about football, because everybody knows football is #1 in the world. So yesterday was it was good to play with some Pakistan players. I'm agree with Ronnie and Ryan. You need coaches, academy, coaches, and if you have this one day, of course we can grow up. I'm lucky because we grew up in France, and in France we have very good academy. So if you have a good academy, you can learn football. So this is the most important for you.
Can we have a Pakistan Zindabad chant from you as well?
No. This is a good question. Yeah, I think some players they can. I hope for you. I hope for the new players. But the most important is to believe on yourself. Backward, and this is the most important. What?
Pakistan Zindabad.
Pakistan Zindabad.
Thank you. Well, this is a chance from Multitude News. I just query for the organizers and for the players that some people say that Layer League is not a serious game. Does it contribute for the serious promotion of the football?
Yes, this is for the management, right?
And for the players, some of the players.
I think it's for the management. Layer League is a very serious organization. It's working very seriously towards growth of football. It's amateur football league. Basically, we want to spread the league operation to mass level, to grassroots level. That's where the talent is going to come. And for the exposure and promotion of these young Pakistani players, we would be organizing these events. The international teams will be coming to Pakistan. Pakistani teams will be going abroad to play. So that's how their talent would get promoted and it will get noted. And the plan is for Layer League World Group and Trunkwala family to have such big international events every year. And also, basically, we want in the next 5 years for Pakistani team to qualify for the World Cup. We want the Cristiano Ronaldo, Ronaldinho, David James, Ryan Giggs, Robert Grace to come from Pakistan. And I don't see any problem, any issue with that. If we, inshallah, God help us, we will be able to deliver.
My question is for George. George, tell us a little about your experience so far in Pakistan, and what do you think should be the measures to promote football over here? And have you spotted any particular talent that you would like to point out from Pakistan side?
Before George can answer, there's a very specific thing, very special thing that I would like to tell about George. George can speak in Urdu.
What?
Wow. George, can you please display that?
We definitely like to hear a few words.
George, can you please say that?
Well, what can I say?
Whatever you like.
Shukriya. By the way, that was 5 questions. You are not one.
It's okay. I mean, I'm sure you can be a little generous.
Yeah, we spotted talented players, of course. Like my colleagues all said, they need coaching, they need teaching. But it's inspiring, it's fun. For us, it's just great to be here, to be part of this organization, to help everyone, especially the young players, to have a dream, not to live here and think nothing is possible. That's what we're here for. It's great, for the youngsters to be part. They've watched us many years on TV, but it's fantastic for them to be able to say, I played with these guys on the field, and they can go back and hopefully follow and become also a huge star one day for Pakistan.
You probably don't know the hype that has been created here for this event. So, did you expect this from Pakistan-born wisdom? Or my second question is, have you tasted our traditional food yet or not?
Yeah, Louis tried yesterday chicken biryani and pork. All he's been doing is eating. He likes it so much.
Okay, I would like to listen to Luis Rodriguez just for 1 minute. Luis, if you can just please also tell, because Luis was the coach for this Ronaldinho team. So from the coach perspective, I see a lot of questions coming from the coaching side. So Luis, what was your opinion about the players you saw playing and the level of skills and everything, and what future do you see for Pakistani players?
Assalamu alaikum, Pakistan. First of all, I want to thank you, Mr. Mahmoud Shakwala, for making this possible, bringing everyone come to Pakistan. Football is known in Pakistan, no publicly, but on the streets. Lots of very good players. Like was said before, there needs to be a lot of hard work towards the rough diamonds. There's a lot of good players. They need the right coaching, the right structure, infrastructure. Granted, there's money, there's the finance factor is there, so anything is possible.
With this, gentlemen, we have come to the close of this session. But before we close this session, the man whose vision was behind this whole thing, who arranged this whole thing, this whole most beautiful football showdown in Pakistan, Mr. Mahmood Shakwala. Can we have a detail from Mr. Mahmood Shakwala? Please just right there. We can finish this off with a group photo if all the players can come in front and